paint on your car is constantly bombarded with things from the environment like pre-sap mist, industrial fallout, road tar, paint overspray, and even the exhaust from planes flying overhead. As these contaminants bond to your paint, they make the finish feel rough to the touch while also decreasing visible shine and reflections. Clear reflections, high gloss shine, and long-lasting protection can only be maximized when your paint is free from bonded contaminants and is as smooth as glass. Start off by washing and drying your car with a premium automotive wash like Meguiar's Ultimate Wash and Wax to remove loose dust, grime, and debris from the paint. Then run your clean, dry fingertips over the paint. Don't be surprised if it feels rough to the touch. What you are feeling are those nasty bonded contaminants that need to be removed before polishing and waxing. Meguiar's Smooth Surface Clay Kit is the right choice that comes with everything you need to safely remove bonded contaminants and make your paint smooth again. It's quick, easy, and you don't even need to be a professional detailer to do it. Even if you've purchased a brand new car, be sure to check if the paint is smooth, because during shipping or storage, even new cars can accumulate bonded contaminants and require a clay bar system. To begin the claying process, remove one of the clay bars from the package and flatten a piece into a small patty. Mist the included Meguiar's Quik detailer liberally onto the paint for lubrication and begin working one small section at a time with light pressure while using a back and forth motion. As you work, you'll begin to feel the difference on the paint immediately. Once you've completed a section and the paint is completely smooth, wipe off the extra Quik detailer with the included Meguiar's Supreme Shine microfiber towel. Every few sections, fold and knead the clay and flatten it back out to reveal a clean, fresh portion. This will rejuvenate the clay and allow you to pick up more contaminants from the surface quicker. Continue working in small sections until all areas are completely smooth. Always remember, if you happen to drop the clay onto the floor or ground, throw it away to ensure that you don't pick up and push any dirt or debris back into the paint and create swirls or scratches. Once you're done and your paint is as smooth as glass, you're ready to apply your favorite Meguiar's polish for maximum shine and wax to ensure you have plenty of protection on the paint.